So what you making, Felix? Hey Ben, what is that? What you doing right there?
I'm expanding water line called Upanor. Fans and tracks. Get ready to stick it on the fitting and turn it down to it.
So you got to do it quick, Ben?
Yeah. 1 inch pipe.
Oh, okay. But it's still nail is been strong anyway, right?
Yeah.
All right, you sure? Hold me, D. You stole my water hose. That's my water hose. I'm gonna charge you for that. So John, what's up, man? Where you been? We got it. I had my water hose, y'all. Let me hit it forward again. Want me to hit it forward some more? Okay, I'll tap it down.
Definitely different from the back.
Yeah, I know. Look at the beam. Yeah. Pulling up the beam. And that block wall over there. See the block? See the block wall right there? This is where you're gonna come into the bathroom. So yes, this is the guest bathroom. Alright, got this down here. Tractor deck. Just getting rid of old wood. Feel me? Now you see this beam running? That's the one I knocked in there yesterday. And now that beam is running all the way down there to sit, and it's tied into this beam. Put that other beam across here today, huh? This is the laminated veneer lumber right here. And this is the regular 2x6. See that? That's the toilet right there. Pretty strong, Felix.
This gonna be the bathroom?
Yeah, that's the kitchen on that side where you at. On this side is the bathroom. And then come out here, you'll see, all right, doing some degrading work. We're degrading over here on the west side. One of my properties. This is the bathroom now. That's the toilet. That's the vanity. That's the shower.
So this gonna be a bathroom?
Yeah. All right, about to hit it for the plumbing. All right, we working, y'all. That block. It'll punch through that, right? Call if you need our services, 931-241-9714. And my wife's a realtor. Salute all veterans. Yep. Get him, Ben.
Put it in the bathroom.
Yeah. All right, check it out. This is Greg. I'm one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today is all about the lot, man. We was able to purchase a lot on the west side of Bartow, and we're getting ready to build a duplex. Matter of fact, check it out. We didn't just purchase one lot. We purchased 2 lots. Purchased a lot right behind me where you see the G-Wagon and the Escalade, and we also purchased the lot right here that you see behind me on this side. So stay tuned. We got 2 new builds coming. They'll be available in July. So check it out. All right, we're on the west side, man. Got this lot right here, man. And we're just excited and ready to start the new build. Coming January 2021. It'll be available July 2021. Nice size parcel. 4-bedroom, 2-bath duplex on the west side of Bartow. My side, baby, where I grew up at. All right, right here on the corner. And then, right across the street, you got another lot We got that lot as well. Gonna be building on that lot too, but that's coming a little later. Check us out, man. To glory be to God, man. To glory be to God, man. We're just excited. We're on the west side, getting ready to do it in my hood, baby. Brand new duplex. 2 of them. 2 for 1. Radford Homes, let's go, man. Call me if you need me. My wife is a licensed realtor. You can reach her at 863-205-1307. And you can reach me direct at 931-241-9714. Vacant land. If you know somebody who's trying to sell some vacant land or got an old raggedy house they don't want, give me a call direct. 931-241-9714. Let's go, baby.